Hey guys, how's it going? Recently, Mike of Nitro Speed put out a challenge for your top 10 trucks. So this is my video on my top 10 trucks. Right here I have a fire truck that I purchased from the flea market a few months ago. I think this is a pretty awesome truck. But then I found out later, excuse me, that it was missing some things like the ladders on the side and a few other things. But other than that, I think it's still a pretty cool fire truck. Got rubber wheels on it. That's the back of it. So it's a GMC fire truck. And I think it's the Chicago Fire Department. So this is truck number 18. So this would be my number 10. My number 9 is a carded truck. And this is like one of my treasure hunts. And this is the 56 flash side. I think this is a pretty awesome truck. Back of it. Check out the front. And a little detail on the front, on the hood. And as you can see in the back, the TH. And this is another one of my favorite trucks. You guys seen this one in my top 10 diecast challenge. Still like this truck. So this would be my number 8 truck. And on the side it says quick lube. I still think this is an awesome truck. So that would be my number 8. And guys, this is my Racing Champion 1940 Ford pickup. I think this one also is a pretty cool truck. Part of my favorite trucks. Yeah, this is a flea market, not a flea market, eBay buy. I think I bought the whole set. It came together. It's pretty sweet. So my number 6 is this guy here. Now that is a sweet truck. I have this one in 3 different color variations. I think this one stands out the most. You can check out the gold spoke rims. All this gold. It is pretty sweet. The grill itself. So this will be my number 6. And number 5 is I think this is 52 Chevy. This guy is awesome in that matte black finish. And then this is sweet. It's a nice truck. So that was my number 5. This is another racing champion that I'm coming up with. Can't read the name. Which is, I like also, I like the white walls tires on these, how thick it was. Just remind you back in the days. And then the little hubcap rims are pretty cool. And the tailgate, it lifts up and down. You can see the inside. You can see the gas tank. Also, the hood opens. So my last 3 are my tough ones. So this is my 83 Chevy Silverado. This actually is my first truck. My very first truck I got. And I got this at Target, because Target had, I think most people remember, they had a Hot Wheel Day, and they would give you a free car, and then you can go up and buy. It had a limit on how many cars you can buy from the open cases. It was pretty good. So this took as my free car. So this is like my very, very first one. I can still remember getting it, picking it out of the bin. And I also have the green one like this one also. Like I was saying, guys, these last 3 are the hard ones. I can't go wrong with the last one. Okay, this is my number 2, and there's another treasure hunt. I always liked this truck, and as you guys can see, it's stay carded. That's the front of it. This is a '69 Chevy. It's pretty awesome. And also with this truck here, I used to go to a place that had a lot of old stuff in it. And I was surprised that they had Hot Wheels in it. And so they have Hot Wheels and Matchbox and a few other cars. And so I wound up buying this one. And this one, for me, this was my first treasure hunt. It's always a first. So my first treasure hunt, you saw my first truck. And this guy is always going to be my number one. Love this truck. And this is a 56 flashback. That's the back of it. The side. And the front. And also, guys, the hood open up on this one too. It's kind of hard to open, so I don't want to force it all the way. So guys, those are my top 10 trucks. As always, guys, in the comment, tell me your favorite. So guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys take on the challenge from Nitro Speed. Alright guys, happy hunting. Thanks for watching the video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces guys. Later.